Hi, how are you? It's a joy meeting a blessed person. This is Syaviha where there is hope for you. That's the name of our ministry. And our motto, never give up, because there is hope for you. What do? Our aim is sharing a message of hope, harmony, and healing. Why hope? Because we saw the need, and that people need hope to be able to start, to stand, and succeed. And some people are hurt, are hopeless, and are helpless. So they need hope. So our aim is to be able to share a message of hope. We are here to encourage you. Our aim and our joy is to see you strong, stable, and successful. And the reason why we offer you messages through music, written material, books, online, and also we do seminars and radio and TV program for you. For us, you are very, very important person. You are blessed. You are chosen. You are a special person. That's the reason why we want to encourage you, to motivate you. We believe that you need a message of hope. My people perish because of lack of knowledge. We want to be able to share what God has given us to be able to help you. Harmony. So we are sharing hope, harmony, and healing. Harmony, because where there is peace, there is progress, there is productivity, there is prosperity. And healing is people have wound, people are weak, and people are worried because they are weak, they have wound, they need healing. And the inner healing, and who can heal, is Christ, the great physician. And we speak about Christ. Our prayer is that you will be able to pray, to partner with us, because so that we can reach many with a message of hope. Our radio messages are touching, transforming lives. And we pray that you'll be part of this ministry. Please subscribe to this channel, share our messages. Our aim is for you to be strong, stable, and successful. And that is our prayer. Where there is hope for you, never give up, because you make it. Remember, we have written books. Our book, Men Are Crying, Women Are Weeping, You Have a Bright Future, A Secret for the Single, Secret of Success for Teen and Youth, I Want the Best for My Child, and many books that we have written. You can buy this book and be able to support and partner with us. Thank you for partnering with us. Thank you for your prayer. We know that together we are going to share a message of hope, harmony, and healing. Thank you. You are blessed.